Hi students, welcome to today's online class. In the last class, we learned about the web design and what are the designing principles of a web page. In this class, we are going to learn what is meant by tag, what is meant by element, and what is meant by attributes. Okay, if you see tags, but first let us see what is tag and what is element. So you can observe here HTML tag. Tags are starting and ending parts of an HTML element. It is a starting and ending part of an HTML. They begin with what? This symbol. This is a less than symbol and this is a greater than symbol. Okay, are called tag. Now you can see this is one tag, this is another tag. This is opening tag and closing tag. Many of the tags are having opening and closing like this. Okay, this is the opening of the tag and this is the closing of the tag. Now if we talk about what is the element, element encloses the contents in between the tags. Element encloses the content in between the tags. They consist of some kind of structure or expression. It generally consists of a start tag, content, and end tag. Means the information which is there in between the opening tag and closing tag. That is nothing but an element. Now, observe here. So, whatever here, this tag means what? Bold. This symbol is a bold. If you write here, for example, I am writing. When you are writing a HTML program, if you write Sindhu, something like Sindhu degree college. If you are typing like this and you are closing the tag means what? B means bold. Bold means what? Like this. All you know bold letters, right? So in bold format this will appear. Means the content, how the content should be displayed, that decides the element will decides how the content of the tag should be displayed. Okay. You can observe the example here. This is the content, and if we talk about what is HTML attributes, this is very important to know. All are important, but attributes it is used to define the character of an HTML element. It always placed in the opening tab. It is always placed in the opening tag. It generally provides additional styles. Attribute is nothing but providing additional features to the particular tag. For example, attribute means what? For if you are given background color of your web page is body BG color. Background color means what? BG color. It means what? You can give any color, right? Red, yellow, green, pink, red, white, black. These all colors are attributes of which tag? BG color. Okay. Suppose example, all colors are attributes of which tag? Body tag. Means this attribute should be written in opening tag only. Body BG color, background color is equal to, I am giving here somewhat any color, yellow I am giving here. Means observe the difference here. This is completely a tag. Means less than greater than symbol is tag. The body busy color is what? Element. Element is used to have some work. Means body busy color means you are changing the background color of your web page. Here yellow I am giving. This is the attribute. This is what? Attribute. Okay. And busy color is what? Body busy color. Completely this we call it as what? Element. It is what? Element. Okay. This is the element which we are giving here. So this is a HTML tag. This completely is a tag. Okay. This is a element. This is tag. So this is a completely tag. The inside matter is element from here to here. Completely it describes what is the speciality of that particular tag. Okay. You can observe one more tag here for attributes. Here we are giving one paragraph. This is a paragraph tag. You will learn many tags in the later class. First observe the difference between them. Okay. Paragraph align is equal to center. Suppose you have typed one paragraph that you have to place on your web page. In your web page, where you have to place, you have to decide yourself, right? Whether it has to be placed left side, whether it has to be placed middle, or whether it has to be placed right side. Means align. Alignment is what? Placing some text in the placing in any place. Alignment means P align is equal to center. Whatever the paragraph is there, I am placing that paragraph in the center of my web page. And what is the paragraph here which you will type? This is a paragraph. Or you can type many text here. Means many number of lines you can type. So I am closing this paragraph tag. Means the paragraph which I typed in between this that will be aligned at the center of my web page. That will be displayed at the center of the web page. So this is the paragraph. If you observe the differences between HTML tag, HTML elements and HTML attributes, you will understand very clearly. And many tags are there in HTML to create a web page. About that we will be learning. However, I will forward this PDF. You can write the notes also. First, understand the concept. Now, HTML tag, HTML element, HTML attributes. What are the main differences? HTML tags are used to hold HTML element. HTML tags are used to hold HTML element. Means this is the tag, right? This is the element. It holds the HTML element. Okay. HTML element means what? HTML element holds the content. This element holds the content. What is the content you will give? That will be having some future. Okay. That has to be work to create a web page. Next, what are the attributes? HTML attributes are used to describe the characteristics of an HTML element in detail. If you consider element means body BG color, background color. BG color as element means what are the attributes here? Describe the characteristics. What are the attributes you can give here? Any color. Okay. Any color. Any color means not any color. You can type here red, green. Okay. This is the difference, and also you can observe many differences here. HTML tag starts with end. HTML starts with less than symbol and ends with what? Greater than symbol. Whatever written within the HTML tags are HTML elements. That only we discussed now, right? So whatever we written within the HTML tag is HTML element. HTML attributes are found only in the starting tag. This is must to learn. Only in the starting tag. Closing tag means what? This is a closing tag. These attributes won't be present in closing tag. This will be present in opening tag only. And HTML tags are almost like keywords where every single These tags are of a different. Each tag is having its own features and its own speciality and of a different. Elements specify the general content. What is the purpose of using these elements will specify. And what are the attributes? Attributes specify various additional properties to the existing element. That only. If alignment means what? Placing some content in your web page. That attributes for alignment is what? Align is equal to left, right, bottom, like that. Center are the attributes. They work. This all work together to perform different functions. Okay. This no need to write. Okay. What are HTML tags now? You can see the definition here. They are used to mark up the start of an HTML element and they are usually closed in angle brackets. What are these brackets? These are angle brackets. Less than and greater than will call as angle brackets. Most of the HTML tags are opening and closing. We have learned then the types of tags concept. We learned paid tags and unpaid tags. Right? These are paid tags. If these are having, these are paid. Unpaid means what? They are not having closing tag. Attributes contain additional pieces of information. Attributes take the form of an opening tag and additional info. An example of an attribute you can see here. Image source. This is the image source and all. For instance, the image source and the text are attributes of image tag. The tag is what? This source and alt. These are attributes of which tag? You can say attributes of image tag. And the main important point to remember is golden rule to remember. The vast majority of tags must be opened and closed with the element information such as title or text resting between the tags. We will use title also, right? So that is also one tag. And when using multiple tags, the tags must be enclosed in the order in which they are opened. When you are writing a HTML code to create a web page, you have to follow whether the opened tag and closing tag are arranged in a systematic way or not. Means what? The tags must be enclosed in order in which they are opened. For which tag? For which open tag? Which should be the closing tag? That has to be written perfectly. That has to be typed perfectly. Means observe here. Strong is the opening tag. Instead here is one of the subtag in it. This is really important to remember. Just for your understanding, we are given one example. This is for EM closing tag is /EM. This is a closing tag. Okay. And for strong, this is a closing tag. Means these two are what? Opening tags, and this is what? Closing tags. Means first strong is opened. You should not close the strong. Depending on the its syntax, you have to give the opening tag and closing tag. Okay. Just observe once. All the attributes of image tag are what? Source and alt. Okay. So this is about today's class. In the next class, we will see the next concept. It's a very easy to learn in this way. Okay. Thank you. We will see in the next class.